Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to bring you through my nail room kind of quickly, as much as I can show you guys in this little bit amount of time. But this is my little like decoration station. I have my VeedaBella practice hand with one of my most recent sets just kind of hanging out in my window right there. Hopefully when people walk by, they'll see, oh, look at them nails, and I think I need some. So yeah, I have a little refrigerator. It holds like 9 cans. So I just have some water, some Coke, and some Sprite in there with some snacks. I have a little bit of decorations on the side that still has the tag on there. Down here, I just keep my extras of the snacks and things like that. So there's that. And then moving over, I have 2 drawers right here, and this just kind of has a whole lot of my acrylics and extra things. If you guys remembered what my last nail room looked like, all of my acrylics were on the wall, and I was able to put some of my acrylics on the wall here with my picture. What I'm probably going to do is base it off of like seasons and just put like seasonal colors up there and just kind of switch them out and stuff like that. But I have some of my extra gel polishes. I have other business cards for friends and things like that. So here's some of my gel polishes. I have all of my not polish OMG collection. This is not an OMG, neither is that one and that one. They're just the small little mini ones, but I kind of wanted to keep them all together. My little decal. I have a picture. My daughter made me this for Mother's Day. And then I have some snowflake foils just kind of hanging out because Christmas is coming. My Alexa. I have some candles. This was just like my little acrylic jar I used to have. I don't really know what I'm going to do with it just yet. Maybe put some candies in there or something. But here's a drawer that just has some of my not polished acrylics in there. More of my not polished acrylics in there. This one has all of my not polished gel polishes. I do plan on adding some more shelves to put these on the wall. Here's just like some miscellaneous. I've got some profiles backstage. I have some McCart, glitter bells, young nails. And then down here is all of my eye gel beauty that I have left over. I've given a lot of it away. And then just some other random. I got Glam and Glitz, some Benito. Moving on to my taller dresser. So in here I just have a whole bunch. I've got some biotin, you know. I've got some extra young nails, some batteries, some scissors. I have some extra files in here, but the majority of this is all extra top coats, blossom gels, things that I've just accumulated over the past couple of years. Just some extra stuff in case I need it. Here's all of my hand files and buffers and sponge buffers. This is just kind of like a random drawer. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with this one just yet. I've got a couple of acrylics, a couple of polishes, some foils. And this one, I have some more of my not polish. You guys, I have so many not polished acrylics. I really want all of my not polish to be on my walls, but I don't think I have enough room. Here's some more of the polishes. And then I have my double dip kit just in case anybody wants dip powder. I've got some more random. This is supposed to be like my foil drawer, but then I found my glitters, and I have my Glitter Planet acrylics down here. My extra, the big not polished clear bottle. And then I have some more foils down here. All right, so moving on to my little cart here. I have all of my essentials. I have my Barbicide over there. I have my little containers so I can refill my alcohol, my swipe. I have clear acrylic over here. I have my Sani spray, some monomers. I have some of my clean tools that I don't have in their little packaging just in case I need any of them. I have some cuticle oils down here from Profiles Backstage. all of my acrylic brushes and nail art brushes. You guys, my friend Ceci bought me these two for my nail suite. Thank you, Ceci. I appreciate it. They're so pretty. So that's on my first shelf. And then on my second one, I have my gloves. I have my not polished lamp. On the bottom shelf, I have my Melody Susie dust collector. I have my Kiara sky lamp as well. I have my replacement filters for my Melody Susie dust collector, and then my Kiara sky battery pack, and then my Barbicide spray over there on the side. All right, and then on the walls right here, I have some of my Madam Glam polishes mixed with Nail Addict, which is now Nail Reserve. I just haven't bought any polishes or anything since they changed their name. I have some Raya. I have some not polished, some Profiles Backstage, and another Madam Glam. On the other side, here's my Good Vibes sign. It's a neon sign. I love it. My other polishes over here are all Valentino colors. I'm super quickly falling in love with Valentino, by the way. I'll quickly show you my little cart over here. I just this is extra gel polishes. I just have nothing to do with them. Underneath here, I have like Lysol and other cleaning products. And this is just kind of like my junk thing for the time being until I can figure out what I'm gonna do with all of this stuff. So I have a lot of my extra chemicals and products and things down here as well. And then my paper towels, which I plan on getting some cabinets soon to hang up on the wall so that I can kind of put some of this stuff up. My trash can and my Archon mount. Here is the view from my desk. My ring light. I have my desk light that is not turned on. All right, so let's get started over here. So this is what it would look like if I had a client. I have their sanitized utensils, their brand new hand file, and brand new buffer. And then in this first drawer, we're gonna go ahead and open this. This is just kind of what I have in here. I use this file to season the rest of my files, so just so you know, it's not a used one. I do use it, but only to sanitize. I mean, not sanitize, to season my other files. My second drawer has just kind of some miscellaneous things as well. I have some swatch sticks, a couple business cards. I've got my sanitized utensils, those little swatch circles. The next one is all of my tips. So you guys, if you saw my last video, which was posted 2 years ago, you guys, I am in love with tips. I just love tips, and I buy so many of them. This one is just kind of like another junk drawer. It's got my books, my appointment books, my nail care client record book, calendars. I've just got some miscellaneous things in here. And then in the bottom drawer, it's got my little nail pads. I've got some more files. I've got some essential oils down there. And then going over to my right side drawer, these are Alex units. These are like all of my essentials. So I have like my sanding bands, all of my top coats. I have some extra nail clippers, some Valentino diamond gels, my prep prime dehydrate, all that good stuff. Some extra glues, my nail tip cutters. And then I have my drawer of glitter, you guys. It's a little kind of messy. This right side is my favorite side of my nail desk. And then I have all of my gel art liners. So I have Profiles Backstage. I have some Kiara Sky. I've got a ton of not polish. And I even have some eye gel. The eye gel one is glow in the dark too. And then down here I just have some more not polish acrylic. These acrylics are from my Secret Nail Affair. These ones are the Secret Nail Affair. It was a Christmas collection that I got last year, so I kind of keep them. I'm keeping them close so that way, in case, you know, Christmas is coming up, that way I don't lose where my stuff is. And then the bottom drawer just has a ton of nail art stuff. So crystals, embellishments, things to go on the top. I've got the chrome powder. I have some stickers in there. And that's about it, you guys. Other than that, I just have my hand sanitizer here on the top of my desk. I have my rings, my brushes, my dap and dish that I need to clean out before I leave today, my drill. Those are just some extra files. I've got some sanitizer wipes. I have my price list on here, my paper towel holder. I have a box that's just kind of hanging out. I gotta get rid of that soon. And then I have over here my hair mirror. I'm not sure when I will do hair, but here it is. And then my license is up there. This is actually used to pick up hair. It's like a little vacuum, and it's a home one, but I'm using it to pick up my nail dust. And then I have this over here. I'm not sure if we're doing Thanksgiving or Christmas. And then my wash bowl. I have a picture that I have to hang up, and then I still have my friend's ladder in here. She's gonna take it back eventually, but this is just kind of how I have this set up right here so far, just because I haven't started doing hair yet. I will eventually start doing hair, but not quite yet. And then over here, I just have my nail tech apron, my broom, and my Swiffer. And I actually use the Swiffer for like the wet mop. That's how I mop my floor. And I just have the replacements, and it's hanging out behind my sink. So that way nobody can see it whenever I have my doors and windows open. So yeah, and then this is what the whole thing looks like when you walk in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you love my updated nail room tour. I'm super excited to be in here, you guys, and I'm super excited to create more content for you all. Go ahead and please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching.